Hello everybody, and thank you for watching this video. In this video I will show you the boot time between Windows 10 and Ubuntu 17.4, which I just have installed in this morning. And if you keep on watching this video, I have the video when I install these two systems to show you side by side as well. So we now start by see how much time that Windows 10 and Ubuntu 17.4 would take when it's boot up. Now on my screen here I have the program called Oracle's VirtualBox, okay, and I have two system already installed. Now I'm going to start up and start the stopwatch. Alright, now let's start and Ubuntu 17.4 start. Okay, now let's see who's I can use this first between Windows 10 and Ubuntu 17.4. Which one that I can open up the program, the web browser program first. Okay, Ubuntu 17.4 is already open up. And now I try to open the Firefox to open up the web browser program. Now Windows 10 is already open up, and I open up the web browser program as well. Okay, so this take about 1 minute and 30 seconds something. All right. Okay, we already saw which one is faster on the boot up. It's just only on my system here. Maybe with yourself, maybe it's different. So I have just stupid system. Maybe it's slow. But anyway, this is I just only test it on my purpose. Okay, now let's have a look for how much does it take when it's going to shut down. Okay, now start. Go on this one, go on this one. Okay, I will call this one as well, just for a second. If I okay, now we're ready to shut down this system. Now I hit shut down on Windows 10 and shut down on the Ubuntu 4, and you can see that Ubuntu 4 is gone already. Ubuntu 17.4 is gone. Windows 10 is already gone. It's like, what is that, 20 something second. Okay, that is about the shutdown and boot up time of the two systems between Windows 10 and Ubuntu 17.04. Now let's have a look of the installing time that these two systems will be take. Alright, now I have the program called Oracle VM VirtualBox, and this one is the displays of Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager window. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a new instance of new system. Like one will be Ubuntu 17.04, and the other one is Windows 10. Okay, let's start now. And now I'm fire up the program called stopwatch, which is you can install. My main OS here is Ubuntu version. The current versions that I'm used now so far is, what is that, okay, 15.10. all right, and this is my main computer details that I use my system right now. Okay, let's start creating a new I'm going to start by Windows 10 first. Okay, our name is Windows 10, Win 10, like so, and then next. Cannot create machine folder and parent folder. This folder already exists and possibly belong to another. Oh yeah, I got another one which is I already installed. So let's do is number 2. Let's say. Okay, now, and the RAM I set it to 2 GB. okay, and creating visual hard disk drive. next, and Win10_2 is our hard drive. Window 10. Okay, now the first one is Window 10 is created, and I'm going to link this one. I'm going to get the media for install. So the ISO image, the ISO file, which is in Window 10 right here. Okay, now this one is set up. Now Window 10 is already to install. Let's create another one, that UB1704 and _2. I believe I got this one already, the previous install that I already set up, and I don't want to use it. So at least for this video, we're going to use this as 2 GB as well. 2000 is it 2 GB? Okay, 2 GB as well, as the same Ubuntu and Window 10. And the hard disk drive, this one is needs, so I put 30 on this. Okay, so almost the same. Alright, and I'm going to find the ISO image file, which is Ubuntu 17. Where is it? Okay, it's right here, 17.4. Okay, now that two system is set up, now we already we are ready to install. Okay, now I will start up the timer when I run it and hit install. Okay, now let's start this one first. So you can see that window, I'll put it on my left hand side here, and Ubuntu, I'll do it on the right. Let's get rid of this. Okay, so the timer will be start when we hit the install. Okay, alright, now this one's ready. We're going to start to install. I think now we should hit the start button now, won't we? Okay, start, and I hit next and install now. And with this one I hit install and continue. Okay, I don't have product key, as we all know. Next. Okay, accept, next, and install window, next. I'll make it very easy. Install now, continue. So I'm in Thailand. Continue. And you can see the window is already installed, but this one is still on the Ubuntu side. I still have to set up something for it. Okay, continue. Alright, now it's installed. Okay, let's have a look who's going to be finished first. And the rules, our rule is we're going to create 3 files on the desktop. The next, just only the text file. Now this is going to take some, maybe a couple minutes or maybe 10 minutes to install the system here, but it seems like Windows is going to take longer to install the system. So meanwhile I have to pause the video first. Alright, it seems to be like our Ubuntu 17.4 has already installed. Just one click away to reboot the new system so I can start using it. Well, I was finally not paused the video as I just said, but it cut the silent video out of the link just to avoid the silent video on this. Ubuntu 17.4 took 15 minutes from the install process until you can create the first 3 text files on the desktop, while Windows 10 still stuck at the installing process, and it seems to take more before I can start using my Windows 10. Seems like my Ubuntu 17.4 is start up and ready to use. Now I'm going to create 3 empty text files on the desktop. Instead of right click and create new file one by one in a time, I will use the command line to create the 3 text files in one line. By opening up the program called Terminal, then navigate to my desktop, then use the touch command following by file name to create like so, and then hit enter. Okay, now I have 3 text files already on the desktop, and now I'm going to open up the Firefox to see the browser, to visit the Google. Now it's 16 minutes right now is already, and Ubuntu 17.4 is already loaded up. And I'll go to Google Thai, google.com now, and search for Ubuntu 17.04 download. Okay, and you can see it here now. I open it up and I can use that. Okay, now see, I can even download this Ubuntu 17.04 says it says this something, but I still cannot use Windows 10 just still not really install. Now what else I can do on the Ubuntu here? I'm going to install the update. So and app update. Just only use this app. I'm used to the Ubuntu 15, so 15.10 that I use now. Upgrade that Y. Okay, now install, update and upgrade the system on this one, and it's going to take me a very long time on this one. I believe it's going to take me about 10 minutes, but anyway, it's 18 minutes now, and I still cannot use Windows on the left side here. I still cannot use Windows 10 on this website on the left side here. So and seems to be long more way to go. Now if I'm going to create the let's say document, so on the Ubuntu 17.4 I can use the pre-installed program called LibreOffice. Please correct me if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Alright, now on my left here I'm going to use in this Windows 10 I'm going to use Express setting, and now on the right hand on the right here I'm going to create a new file. This is the Ubuntu 17.04, and today is, what is that? Today is Monday, 15 of May 2017. All right. Okay, I'm saying stupid. Who's on this PC on Windows 10? I own it, and I hit next, and skip this step. Okay, and username is Farouk, and without the password. Okay, it's 22 minutes now, so now I can use Windows 10. But what if I want to create a document file like what I did on Ubuntu machines on the right? It seemed like I have to find a program called Microsoft Office to install before I can use it. And how much is it if I want to use it legal? Check out the price of Windows 10 itself, and Microsoft Office 2016 price cost is almost $700 just to buy two products for my computer. And the sad thing is I can only use this product on one machine, and the story is not be ending this way. I still have to buy another product like Adobe, Nero, so on and so forth to using my computer in the way that I want to use it nowadays. And I promise you, all that product won't be cheap. So to myself, I will say thank you to Microsoft, as the first OS system that I uses on 1999 is Windows 98 that released on 25th of June 1998 that make me know the computer. I don't know about you, but to myself, $700 I can build another machine. So open source is my choice to use the computer in the way that I use, and I have a freedom to use my computer. Okay, and it's take me 25 minutes something before I can start using my window, and it's really not yet. You want to allow PC to be discoverable by other PC, other device on this network? Yes. Okay, now let's see the stopwatch. Now I can stop the stopwatch now, and I'm going to new file. Okay, text document, file 1. So basically this one is going to be .text. So file 2 and file 3. Okay, and it took me like forever, and I cannot use any Office. I believe if I want to use the Office program, I have to install it. Try Office for free, sign up for 1 month free trial. Okay, see, I can use this for 1 month. Wow, very good. Alright, that's it for this video, and I don't know how many people watch this video till the end, but thanks for watching, and until I got something new to update, so I will share this with all of you guys on my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.